Oh my goodness, hello! So my intention was to vlog earlier, like the whole morning, but life, so I have not vlogged, but I am walking through the airport in Medellín. I just landed and I'm super excited, but also kind of sad because I stayed in Guatemala for almost a year and a half. So now I'm in Medellín and prepared for a new adventure. So welcome to Medellín, Colombia. Once I got to the hospital because I was so tired and because I was with someone very special. Can you guess who it is? Hi! It's Elleke! We're back together! We're back together! I'm so excited! I'm so happy to see you! Yeah, me too! So you guys will see her for a while. I don't know. For a while. But today we're doing a free walking tour here in Medellín, and we're at the metro station. You can see metro, and I don't remember what stop. I don't know, you guys will see what we're doing, so hang along. On a snack break. So we found this vegetarian place. Insert footage here. And I got a lentil croquette that I've already bitten into. It's pretty good. Had all the sauce on my nose. You need the sauce, it's a little dry. Yeah, Elleke got, what'd you get?
I got an empanada.
Is it good?
The filling is good. A little bit dry, but the taste is good.
Yeah, they gotta work on the dryness. With the sauce it's okay, but otherwise you need some water. But yeah, it's a nice day. How you feel?
Good. I'm happy we're doing this. She gives like a different perspective on the city, which is really nice.
I agree.
I love her honesty about her growing up here in Medellín. Yeah.
So far, I recommend the tour. But we still have more to go, so I'll check in later. Bye! So these sculptures have a very interesting history. So in, kind of close here. In 1995, this one was destroyed by a bomb during a concert. And it killed, let's see, how many people? I'm not sure how many people it killed, but the governor was like, oh, we have to move this like trash out of here. We don't want it like as a representation. And the artist, Botero, called the mayor and said, do not remove this sculpture. We need to remember what happened here. So you have the one that was destroyed and then a new one next to it to show like the old Colombia, the old history, and then the new one to show what is changing and how they have evolved and how they are growing to be better. So it's a beautiful story, not the deaths, but the fact that it's kind of like the phoenix rising from the ashes, from the flames, and I don't know, something really beautiful. So that is the story of these birds in this square. The tour just finished and we just said goodbye to our tour guide, Maribel. Thank you so much. If you ever see this by some chance, I don't know, thank you, you are amazing. And I learned a lot about Medellín, about Colombia, and it really just gives me, like, there's a sense of hope and a sense of transformation, a sense of prosperity here that I guess, like, if you just come to Medellín, you see, oh, okay, it's like kind of this progressive, I don't know if progressive is the right word, but it's a city that is, you know, it's a city, it's hustle and bustle and all of this stuff, but to understand more of where they are coming from and why it is this way, and understanding why Colombian people are so happy and so positive, it's just, I don't know, it makes me feel really, really good. So definitely do the free walking tour. I'm not going to spoil all of the information that she shared with us because it's a lot. If you come to Medellín, you have to do the free walking tour. And I didn't even get a picture of Maribel, but I'll insert our group photo that she took at the end so y'all can see. I think now we're going to go back to the, not I think, I know. Now we're going to go back to the hostel and get our laptops and go to a cafe so we can edit some videos because I am so behind. And I think we're just gonna have like a chill working afternoon. So I don't know how much more I'm gonna vlog, but we'll see. That was so pretty. I feel like I'm in Alice in Wonderland. It's like kind of trippy. Let's see. Yeah, but they're so beautiful.